Assalamu alaikum. Abadin juberla ni lambo labe dawda. Bifanan afelenti yin tembo la jang. Talan konon ta tambita minutes tang. Costa Road la bilo nyinto. Ngatari ko moto troko ay mole busa. Ibraya busa nyamendro. Ay melli pam ngo fan tarje bari. Men yalon ka kete nyala ye men fo wala nyinti ko a fatal because akunu fo ala kar kilingo tetale bang min ay military je ye minfo e woto troko ni naari be jibero la ten atele fela be lorin ten drive fo do membe troko ni borindi kan o bortale folo e malon abe fannajo malla so bari ala emprantil be janne min alon ko polisol be jang ibe nyinin ka kan pro e drive fo ni kumandi ay na moti malala e bari it's like e mangla number soto number tabulu ñin tembola so ala soto ñaabe koleyarin folo oto ni membe jibero la dron e ñinne be kerin ko sarol jang hanin be tala duma ka jibe moto ya di padami anin ala yelo bonta dami moto fanan jibe al shibulan no madron o banan JSTV lam dron ali ngata nga o dula fanan jibe kaimbe taka wol to ten troko ñinne felenti loren ten kuma al baji be kanyame yo nyaaji be troko ya li fajanne yo ala yelo wala felabe bondi janten yo naaji be troko ni ne fele lorin jang e drive ni ka moli malong atebe dami fanna joma la sainte bare bitala emprantiul be jang polisol be no ma pour ya kumanda e muruna moti malala bare is like amang imang fenke sodon telephone sodon aman telephone sodon sa kumandi no men na pray muruna ha yes because cross road ni molo tan dulato dron moto mar right soton ay mala ate dunta nyin layno kanne dron moto nata abusaje oto afrenti ate ya samba folo lo tano to mo malo fabi balula fata balula so nyinne be kerin jambi nyin men keta jam ayete tar janna bari bira bali pala ite ya jila bali pala tembo men yes boss munga wa dara si accident
no gis nga kii dafa bëggoon jàll di moto bi nii la nekkoon di ñëwee nii moom mu bëgg a jàll waaye kii dafa dem ba mu bëgg a jàll mu gis ne moto bi mu ngay ñëw mu delluwaat mu taw si line léegi moto bi door ko mu ñëw gis nga fu mu door
cross road ni line o men ngaje ko jang ni mu te dulalti dame yalon ko nim mbolo te dando moto man right so do driver man right so do ka moli pajan ye moli pajan do ya to nin ala yelole ferenti bondin teng yajel so aketa men nyala i dole men fo asite kewnin abe falale because a lipa nyamin ana boyta nyamin grauta back. Good evening, viewers and listeners. Welcome to Obanan JSTV. Right at Costal Road, where a truck hit a man when he was trying to cross. But when he was crossing, due to his panic, he wanted to retreat back where the truck found him and then hit him down. So according to those that were present, what they said was, it's like this man is going to die. If you can see where the blood was shed, you can see right now the driver is nowhere to be seen. According to the guys that witnessed it, when he hit this guy and the driver just dropped down and start running and nobody can see him right now. Police are around. They are trying to get in contact with him, but they're finding some difficulties. The apprentices are around and they asked them if any of them is having his number, but it's like they said he didn't have any phone right now. There is no way they can contact him, but the truck is standing, the driver is gone, so they are standing waiting to see if he will come back to report himself. This is what is happening here at Costal Road. This is Obanan JSTV. Please keep following. Sometimes I think the drivers need to know the principles of these signs that they put on the highways, that crossroad or cross signs, that when a person step in this, no matter what speed you taking, you have to slow down. You have to allow this person to go off, because if you touch him, then you are fighting with, it is the law that you touch. It is his right that you violate. So this is what happened here. Look at the police. That's the police. They are still around trying to get in control of the situation, but the driver is nowhere to be seen. Some people standing around, you know, people standing around. This is the truck. What can they do right now? The driver is nowhere to be seen. Yeah, but for sure, he will be apprehended. Whatever the case might be, they will surely get him. The police are taking their measurement, what is expected from them. Then from there, I wanted to talk to some of them, but it's like none of them is ready to talk to me. They said they refer me to the PRO, and the PRO is not on the ground right now. But they are doing their quota to see where the faults come, and so that judging this case will be an easy one for them. The drivers, as you can see, they are running with speed. The apprentice is around now. They are moving the truck. They are trying to move, but the driver is nowhere to be seen. So this is the situation over here. May Allah guide us all from having this kind of mysterious accidents. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu.